Hey guys, I'm Dipanshi Rana and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to talk about my recent collection which I came out with this week. So I'll give you a brief first of all. I'll do the haul or showcase you the garments later. Now I'll just tell you first of all the introduction. So basically the collection is about Floral Fairy, and she is a part of Tinkerbell series. You can just google her, and her name is Rosetta. So first I was confused between the Wind Fairy and the Rosetta Fairy. So I did some poll thing and on Instagram, so I came out with the Rosetta thing. So I also wanted to go with her only. So because she is full of florals and more of happy and stuff like that. So yeah. Now what I did with my designs, I try to keep it very minimalistic, a hint of floral on it. This is the garment which I am wearing right now with a palazzo. I'll show you the full thing. So this is a crop top, you can see, and I have styled it with a bohemian oxidized necklace and with the earrings. If you want to keep it that way, you can keep it that way, or if you want to, so this jacket comes with this, and if you want to keep with this jacket, you can just go with this as well. I have actually done all this on it. So basically what I did was I chose the embroidery net, and I had cut out all the embroideries on it, and I just stitched it on this jacket, and it's not too much or too less. I just tried to keep it as a balance, right? So yeah, so this is the design. So this comes with three colors. One is this, other one is gray, and the other one is pink. So either you can wear it like this if you're not too much confident about the sleeve thing or something, or you can just go without the jacket, but it comes like full set, and you can wear it with denims. You can just go wear it with saris. As this crop top, you can just wear it with sari, and if you are wearing a sari in a western manner, you can just go with the palazzo. So now I'm going to talk about the fabric as well. In this I chose a satin fabric. You can just see, I'll show you in detail later on. And this is the organza fabric on which I have done the embroidery stitch. So yeah, the this all three of them are satin and organza. So according to the winter collection or autumn winter collection, not too heavy, not too light, best for the wherever there is like light winter or something, not heavy winter, like in Mumbai or places in Maharashtra. You can wear it like this, or you know how Mumbai winters are, it's not like totally winter. So yeah, and in other places you can style it up with um denims, jackets, or whatever. As you can see, you can just break out the trends. You can just Pinterest like how it's going. So according to this place, I have styled it with not the design, but I have right now styled it like this. So yeah, you can see the detailing on it, and I have put on the videos. I have uploaded the videos as well on the Instagram. You can see over there the some pictures. So this is the other color I was talking about, and it's same design, same everything. You can just style it with a sophisticated necklace as well. You can just style it with the pearl necklace as well, pearl accessories as well, because I have made it like that. You can, you can go with the bohemian stuff. You can go with the sophisticated jewelry as well, or else if you want to wear it with gold or silver, you can, yeah, you can wear it with that. So this is the other one. So this is like premium satin, and it has a it is a not satin inside, it has a cotton inside and satin outside, which you can call sateen as well, which is the other side of the satin. And it's not like bad quality, it's a really good quality. As I said, you can wear it with skirts, you can wear it with denims, you can, you can wear it with anything, you can style it up with anything you want. So this is the pink color according to the inspiration. So we have to choose the color board as well in the inspiration. We can't just go like that. So yeah, this was my basic 3 collection, right? Now I have made 2 coutures, which is the big garments in the, obviously every collection has 2 or 1 main garment. If you see the fashion show, if you see the fashion collection, if you see designers collection also, either they have full on designer wear like heavy collection, or basic collections, or they have like most they have partial minimalism and partial heavy something. So this is the dress which I was talking about in the heavy couture kind, or main garment you can say. It has a heart shaped neckline, and these are the separate sleeves which you can either wear it, or if you don't want to wear it, you don't wear it. So it has a pleats in waist, and it goes like this. Also, the length of the garment is floor length. You can see the picture, and you can just visit the Instagram and see that I have worn this. So in this fabric, so this is actually net fabric on really heavy satin fabric. So actually I had to do lots of fabric research to find this kind of fabric, and I had finally found this fabric. Now this is the another garment, the main garment. This is the another main garment which has a pleat on the waist, and it goes like, it comes like from here till here. Okay, it's a low waist corset, and that was a high waist corset thing. So you can have a look. And it looks like this. Basically, this is the another satin fabric, which I really liked it, and it's a turquoise green. It's a very soft but heavy and very suitable for winters. So yeah, these were the 5 garments which I made, and obviously these 2 coutures, or the main garments you can say, I stitched by myself. It was like in one day I had to do that because it was getting late and stuff, and I really had to like stitch it. So yeah, and obviously the embroidery work also I had done, and the other 3 garments also, the finishing and all, I had a help also. But the main garment and the jacket thing, the basic garments, the finishing and all, only I had to do, because I have this thing that if I don't like put my hand on it, or do the finishing of the garment, I don't get satisfied that it's like properly made garment, because I have to do that. It's not like only support stitches it, or the help I have, only that person does everything. No, nothing like that. I just take a minimum help, and majority part is done by me only. So you can go to the Instagram, you can check out the pictures, you can go to the online shop as well. I have uploaded over there also. So yeah, this was my collection, and today was just a haul, or you can say the showcase of my collection. And in next video I'll tell you how I work through my designs, how I'll just give you a hint in this. So what I did was like, first I chose the inspiration. So this is the mood board and the color board with it. I chose the colors according to it, and it was more of pinkish, maroon, green, blue, something beige, so something like that, which was connected to that garden fairy thing. So yeah, and we haven't made a menswear. Why? Because actually it was planned for women's wear only, as I am into customized menswear only. I go find fabrics, right? Finding fabric for the 2 main garments were like hectic thing. So I had to actually go to places. So luckily, for the official thing, dad had to go to Jaipur, and I went with him, and I got these wonderful fabrics from there. The other fabrics, the satin, light satin ones, I had found it here only in the Mumbai itself. So yeah, this was till the fabric thing, and then the silhouettes. How I decided was before choosing the fabric, obviously. Um, so I went with some westernized look only, something like, not, as I said, not too heavy, because I keep it that way only. I have told you the balance of the bohemian and the sophistication, what my brand has. So according to that I had kept, and yeah, then I started making the designs. I started stitching the designs. The basics, for the basics one I had help, but the finishing and all only I did it, because as I told you that मुझे ना वो satisfaction नहीं आती जब तक मेरा हाथ अच्छे से लग नहीं जाता फैब्रिक पे, या मैं फिनिशिंग नहीं दे देती, या खुद नहीं बना देती, बिकॉज इट्स ऑल अबाउट द फिटिंग थिंग. The last two garments, the main garments, only I had stitched. No help, nothing. So I had started from the scratch, from making on the brown sheet, and then stitching it on the marking on the fabric, and then stitching the fabric, all the finishing and all. So yeah, that's it. So that was all my collection. And if you have any queries, any thing I missed or something, you can just ask me in the comment section. And you can follow me on Instagram, and these are my IDs. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Please share as much as possible. See you next Sunday.